this is Sarah with Sunflower Cottage Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do the bobble or popcorn stitch and that modified triple cross stitch that I include in my Paige Hat pattern. So the wording can be a little tricky when you're trying to read it and understand, so a lot of times a visual is just so much better. And in my pattern I do not count the chain stitching, and for double crochets I only like to do 2 because I want to keep that gap as small as possible. So to do that bobble, you're going to yarn over, insert into that first stitch, and pull through 2, but don't complete that double crochet. You're going to yarn over and go back into that same stitch and pull through 2 only. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over one more time, go into that same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook and chain 1 to sort of complete the deal. And you can either have double or single crochet in the next stitch, whatever the pattern calls for, and that sort of helps pop that bobble out. So in the next stitch that I have in my pattern is the modified cross stitch. A lot of times cross stitches are done in the front posts of a stitch, but I chose, because I wanted to get a kind of a circular shape out of that stitch, to make it a triple crochet right into the V's. So you're going to yarn over twice, and you need to skip 1 stitch and then work a triple crochet into the next stitch, and then I chain 1, yarn over twice for another triple, go into the stitch that you skipped and complete a triple crochet. And then to pop that thing out, once again you can either have double or single crochet in the next stitch. And so that creates the dot and the O's that are basically in my half pattern. I hope that was helpful. I can show you one more time on the modified cross stitch. So yarn over twice, skip the next stitch, work a triple crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, yarn over twice, go into the stitch that you skipped, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and complete that by doing either a single crochet or a half double crochet, whatever the patterns call for. Sometimes they don't call for any. It just sort of depends on the person. So there you have it, the bobble or popcorn and my modified cross stitch that I kind of came about with out of thin air. I hope that was helpful for you. Feel free to watch the video as many times as you need to understand how to do this. And I thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.